Okay, ready for a bit of fun? We've heard about the craters on the moon and the Earth. What about making our own craters right here? First, what do we need? Some flour. This will be our moon subsurface. I'll put it in the tin now. Make sure to have the flour to a depth about an inch. Next, we'll use some sprinkles. These will be our rocks and minerals. These will be just below the surface of our moon. Cocoa powder makes up our moon surface. Make sure to use a sieve. We don't want any lumps in the flour, so the sieve will help keep our moon surface smooth. So, now imagine that this rock is our meteor. Ready? Aim for the moon and let go. A crater! We have our first crater! Now, I want to have meteors hitting the moon harder from all sides. I'll do a few and we'll see what we get. We'll try a different angle. See the craters? I'll pick the biggest crater and give it a name. Sure, I'll name it after myself. The Sabrina crater. Wow, now we have small craters and big craters. Now this torch is going to be my sun. It's too bright in here. Getting darker. There we go. Now let's see if we can see any faces, or rabbits, or dogs. We can recognize them on the moon, but how about here? I can't see anything. Oh, I can see a dog. Wow. And I can see a face, like on the moon, but this one is better. Wow, that was quick. So today we've learned how we can make our own craters, small ones, big ones, just like on the moon. Now you give it a go at home.